Okay, so I was looking in these apartments, and this is kind of interesting because as soon as I looked out, I could see this little thing up on the rooftop. So I'm just going to freeze it and just take a look at this. You can kind of see that there's all these different spaces, and they're connected to other stuff that's like on about a third floor rooftop. And I saw many buildings like this. So this is just one different apartment, and then later I'm going to go to another one, and I'm basically going to show you the inside of an apartment that has one of these and what it looks like. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's take a look at, this is from this kind of a bedroom window. And then, so we're going to dissect it by going into a different apartment and seeing one from that view. So let's try it out right now and see. So this is an apartment that has one of those kind of like garden things that you'd call it. So this is the view of the entire apartment. This is a 2-bedroom. And when I went into this one, it had kind of a little bit of a basement kind of smell. And this was interesting because I put this whole video on with another one with about 5 other apartments. And I had some other people telling me about there's sometimes flash flooding that happens when people have these apartments. But also I saw lots of kind of cool garden kind of stuff. That's the kitchen right there. This is the main room. And as soon as this room is almost connected right into that outside courtyard. And this bedroom is connected as well. So there's 2 bedrooms, and there's a second bedroom right here, which doesn't have a door to it. But basically the whole thing kind of feels connected to that courtyard. And sometimes when I've looked around at some of the other ones, I can see that they put, this kind of turns more into like an indoor-outdoor thing. But I can see that I could have some serious problems if it floods. And basically when you go out here, this is all your property. So if you rented this place or if you owned this apartment, you'd have that wall that's all yours. And so when I looked at it, it's like, man, I could put like a kiosk or some kind of cool stuff. You do notice that all these buildings for this particular apartment, they block the sun. So even though this was in the middle of the day, I could feel it was kind of had that shade, which could be good and bad. I think I kind of like it because then you can be outside without needing to create like a large umbrella. But on the other hand, things do come off of the rooftops. So I did see lots of like cigarette butts and trash, and sometimes laundry falls down. Yeah, so that's kind of anything that's up there couldn't come down, right? I do see that people do fling their cigarette butts down below. But I think you could. But I looked at some of the other ones, and I could see that people do try to do things to prevent it. But I think it'd be in the end you'd have to clean it. Like that one right there. There's on the left. You could see a big guard up there. And it's a transparent guard. I'd still be worried about big things dropping and breaking the glass or the plastic that's there. Okay, so we're going to go back into the apartment again. So we just went in through the bedroom one, and now we're going to go back out. And so that's one look that I did with the camera, and then I do the same apartment, but I do a different look. So this one I'm going to start way at the back, and I'm just kind of examining this whole space out here. It's kind of interesting too. That one has a kind of a metal sheer wall. But you could put anything you want because that would be your piece of rental. Or I think I heard from somebody else that these are usually purchased. People usually own them. And you can see the neighbor has lots of plants outside and kind of cool stuff. And you can look down and see some other ones on some of the other apartments. And some grates. But yeah, I could see that there probably would be a drainage issue if there was a torrential downpour of rain. I can see that water probably would get into your apartment. I don't really see much blocking it. So I don't know how they handle that. There are some little drainage things. You can see one of them right there, briefly. But they don't really seem like they would really be able to handle a torrential. And then they also get all this garbage that kind of gets stuck in them as well. So yeah, then there's that kind of green stuff. There's like stuff that drops from above. So I don't know, like if somebody was to take this on, they'd really have to be really good at creating, trying to resolve all these little issues that could come up. I don't quite have the handyman skills to be able to handle that. But this is kind of an interesting apartment, and I've never really seen anything quite like it. And I think that they're quite common in Macau. So I did want to share it and maybe get some feedback from other people. What do you think? I have had some viewers make comments on another video when I showed 5 apartments about this particular one. So I wanted to kind of highlight it as its own little entity. So we're back. We're going to go back out again. Yeah, you can see that big giant garbage that's just like stuff from air conditionings that drip down. So you can definitely see there's some flaws with some of this, but there's also so much potential and beauty. I do think it might be a better one to purchase. And yeah, who knows what kind of stuff could fall from up above. God forbid, it could be almost anything. So I think that is a concern. I heard that from the real estate as well. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one. Make some comments.
Chiquinha